Hold. Yo, shipper. That's our shipper. Never mind. Hold.
I think party 2
Yo, they
will
have like
control,
all
we should
also.
mount and walk in or what?
Okay. Just hold.
Rowing.
Def.
They shallow.
Heel front. Comes out us a little bit. Comes out us more. Yo, brim.
Oh,
you left
that's
over there.
how.
Hold. Yo, come northwest. Titang hold them. Come northwest more. Cleanses. Locus and come northwest. Come northwest more. Come west.
BG.
Come west. Come southwest more. Good. Def. Come southwest more. Kite more. Kite southwest.
Well, good.
Kite southwest.
Can you give me party leader?
Kite southwest.
Party
All good. Come northwest more. Hold now. Get ready to walk in, okay? Get ready to walk into them. Wait. Hold. Just hold. Come southwest more. You're gonna engage shallow, okay? Careful. Careful. Come northwest. Come southwest.
Hindi tang smash na brim.
Come southwest more.
Don't go to the
Come southwest more. Hold now.
GA looking as well.
Yo, get ready, Duff. Ready to walk in, okay? Ready to walk in. Wait. Hold.
Brim coming in.
Okay, hold. Tell me if Baragi engage, okay? Hold.
Stop.
Yo, look at northwest. Wait. Kisan W is inside. Kill this guy in 3. Wait. Come back southwest. Yo, don't clap. Come southwest. Bait them in. Come west more.
They hit right now.
shallow.
Okay,
They
come west
fail.
more. Who hit? Olex or?
Alex.
Come southwest.
Oh, was it Baragi?
Come west more. We need to bait them. Yo, some of my DPS and Ditang, you can mount up, okay? Hold. Come southwest.
Yeah.
They're gonna fuck up and we're gonna full push them. Come southwest more. Tell me if they're following.
They're
follow.
Green away once.
Come west more.
Close, very close. Big shot.
Come east now.
If I
They're
can.
gonna shallow. They shallow.
Come east now. Who?
Baragi.
Okay, wait. Come in now. Walk with them now. Yo, CC the Ditangs inside. Yo, get ready inside only. 5,
Brim.
4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. And come southwest. Kite southwest again. Heel front. Don't die. Come southwest. Don't die. Yo, come in. Walk in. Walk in. Hold now. Yo, kill this guy inside. Come southwest, boys. Guys, you guys are do not overextend like that, guys. Why are you guys like overextended like that? Come southwest.
Inside, you think, please.
Come southwest. Def. Tell me if Barag engage, okay? Def.
It was
Hold.
Alex.
Hold.
Alex.
Tell me Barag engage. Hold. Barag engage. Hold. Hold.
Alex.
Hold. Come west. Come southwest. Hold. Come northwest now. Boys, do not die like shallow, please. We want them to lose their cooldown and engage, okay? Come southwest more. West side. Hold. Olex is looking, okay? Hold. Take space on my northwest more.
Southwest.
Okay, hold. Yo, hold. Olex looking. Wait. Def now. Wait. You walk into them. Wait. Hold. Tell me Barag engage, okay? Hold. Tell me Barag engage. Hold.
Yo, Brim charging.
Hold. Wait.
Limiting.
Come southwest. Wait. Hold. Yo, look at them. Wait. Okay, hold. Just hold. They're gonna shallow. Careful.
Naguhay ba?
Def front. Okay, def front. Ditang walking. Potion and walk in. Def now. On me in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me, 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 everything on me. Yo, brawl now, brawl now, brawl now, brawl now, brawl now, brawl now. Pass through, brawl, pass through and brawl, pass through and brawl, pass through, brawl, brawl, west side, brawl, west side, brawl, west side. Full push west, southwest, southwest. I'm only here. I'm the only one here. Where are you guys at? Oh my god, you're still at the bridge.
Guys.
Yo, come back, hold. Come back. Def, guys, why you didn't pass through? Olex is looking. Def now. Pass through the choke, please. Pass through the choke, please. Come inside the choke. Come northeast. I'm here. Brawl here. Everything on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Brawl here. Brawl here. Brawl here inside. Brawl inside. Def. Now walk into them. Walk into them. Walk, brawl now. Brawl inside. Brawl, guys. Brawl. Yo, inside. Def. Yo, inside. On the bridge, short is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the bridge. On me now.
I have CD, careful.
Yo, come in. You guys are playing so bad. Come in.
Dilongin.
Kite any. Def fun. Heal fun. Yo, ready kill inside of us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Can you kill this guy? Hello? This guy. He's playing inside of us. Kidnap. Go. We almost like killed all of them, bro. You guys didn't pass the choke. Hold.
Make the line using choke, please. Pedro also.
Boss Mark, locos ni mo, Boss Mark sa choke.
Oh.
Def. Okay, Def.
Naglokos na ako.
Def. Dili pa. Pag-pass through na. Hold.
Brim.
Brim. Good. Tell me if Barag engage. Yo, Def now. Def now. Now walk in now. You need to walk in now. Walk in or we die. Locos and walk in now. On me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. They're all dead on the southwest. You need to come southwest. They're all dead on the southwest, please. They're all dead. Guys, why you're not passing through? Why you're not passing through? Oh my god.
Only have CD now.
Def now. Why you guys are not passing through? Yo, inside of us. Get ready inside of us, okay? Get ready inside. Fake now. Inside in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop all now. All E.
So when only have CD now.
Brawl now. Just brawl inside. Just brawl. They're dying on the tunnel. They're dying on the bridge. Brawl. Come shot us. Brawl inside of me. Spread and brawl. Def now. No, keep walking. Brawl them. Keep brawling them. Get ready, drop A on me, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop in now.
We mom up.
Okay, come southwest. We're not
They
killing.
don't have chariot, okay? They don't have chariot. I'm chasing the chariot now.
Yo, kill inside. Kill them inside. Yo, hold now. Boys, you're not following me, Like, I passed through the chocolate. Def now. Can we, like, kill inside? Kill this guy. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. And go back now. Come south us. You guys are not you guys are not playing with me, man.
The chariot is still dismounted, okay?
The brawl is not getting to backline. We need to mount and walk in.
You cannot, bro. They have 3 CDs. You cannot. You need to walk with me. Come southwest. You listen.
We need to baiting.
Come southwest. Yo, all my brawler. Or yo, defend. Yo, come southwest, Mark. Listen to me, okay? Listen to me.
The chariot zoning in
Come
outside.
southwest.
Yo, listen to me. My party 2 brawler mount up. Def now. Party 2 brawler mount up. Hold. That's okay? Hold. Okay, we one cooldown.
Enemy Brim die.
Yeah. I know. Hold. Good. A lot of people die, right? No. Hold. Tell me if they engage.
Can you have me front?
Def.
Oh,
Yo, can we kill this? Inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Def now. Hold.
They both engage.
Hold. Just brawl inside. Come NE more. NE. Northeast. Tell me if they engage shallow, okay? Hold. Yo,
They're
spread
gonna
now,
look
spread
on
now.
the G.
Def ready, def ready, def ready, def ready, def.
One hit.
One more. They have one more. Okay, wait. Yo, give me fakes now, southwest. Yo, push northwest. Okay, wait. Hold. Def ready. Def now.
Alex.
Def now, southwest. Heal up. Hold. Yo, can we brawl inside? Can you kill these people inside? 3, 2, 1, on me. Kill this guy. Can we kill? Kidnap the guy inside and brawl. Use your Qs and Ws. Hold. Def ready. Come northeast more.
They're looking.
Def. Yo, can we kidnap inside? Come in.
They are shit talking us.
Bro, my Realm Breaker still not here, bro. Like, what the fuck? Kazu, where you at? Kaza Nezuko, where you at? Hold. Def fan.
Wala, namuro na eh.
Def again. Okay, walk in now, please. Walk in. Yo, everything on the choke. Get ready, everything on the choke. Potion. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. You need to kill. And push. Boots in. And we need to push out west, okay? Olex is looking already. You need to stop Olex.
They have CD
Yo,
now.
Def, push out west, okay? We need to kill southwest.
Hey, on them.
Def ready. Def. Don't stay on the choke. Heal the choke. Kill the guy inside. Come southwest, boys. You need to kill fast or we cannot do anything at all. Come southwest. Fuck it. Come southwest. You look at the east in 5, 4. Def. 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. No damage. Come southwest. Kite southwest. Yo. Heal front, man. They're just farming us. Come southwest. Come west. How many DPS do I have in party 2? I don't understand.
1, 3, 4, 5. Pito lang kayo, pito.
Why can't we hit like any damage at all? You guys
We
getting
have
stopped?
to use a pro DPS. Okay. They've kiting
Come
and
to us.
many bedrock. Can't go inside.
Do we have guard runes?
Only a few.
Come northwest more.
Still have to keeper yan.
Come northwest. Guys, rigir. We cannot do anything. Our comp is very bad.
Oh, help me.
Rigir. Yo, help the front. Help the front. Def now. Yo, catch Olex, okay? Get ready. Hold. Yo, brawl inside of them now. Spread and brawl now. Baragi's looking, okay? Just spread and brawl. Wait. On inside. Don't overextend. Inside only. On Olex. In 3, 2, 1. No. Hit now. You need to hit this. And come southwest. Cannot kill. Come southwest. Yo, if you die, guys, just
Guys,
brawl
we
south.
get-
Come southwest.
I think delay tanker mount up and delay them.
I don't think we have delay tanker. We have like bedrocks and shit. We don't have on a number. Guys, we gonna brawl shallow only, okay? Come southwest. We're gonna
he's shallow.
engage. Boys,
Yo, one line. So up.
come
This
southwest.
fight,
Just come southwest. bro.
In
We
front.
cannot do anything. Come southwest. Fuck it, man. Cannot do anything.